Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools like Revolution. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. We sketch 1/4 of the ellipse profile on XZ plane and create 3D solid part with the help of Part Design Revolution tool. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. We create 1/4 of ellipse profile with a radius of 180 and 100 millimeters. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Create construction line. Create the arc with the Ellipse Arc tool. Create the second curve with 4 millimeters offset. Remove unnecessary edges and curves. Now select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. Click on this curve and add a fillet. You also can create this 3D solid part with the help of part design tools like Revolution and Thickness. giving another appearance to this solid part. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.